Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install Temple Run 2 on your iOS device. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, go ahead and open up the App Store on your iOS device. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet as well. And once you're inside the home page of your App Store, tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. And then in the search bar, type in Temple Run 2. Look for this application that says Temple Run 2 Endless Escape, and then tap on the Get or the Install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use your Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download and wait for the app to install. Once the game is downloaded, tap on Open to start playing. And now you're all set to enjoy Temple Run 2 on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.